Welcome back, my guys. If you are new to this channel, my name is Alpha. In this video I'm showing you it's a continuation, so I want to show you how to accept, as we created this accept and a reject button. So you want to accept the friend request, also you want to reject the friend request. So what happens if we reject the friend request? We want to delete this friend request, so it's how we will reject. Also, it's how we can remove this file. Also, I can say this request inside the list. So now let's start. So we start by accepting a friend request. So I'll come to friend request adapter. Okay, so this is a friend request adapter. So now you want to initialize these two patterns, accept also and reject. So this is a text view, so I'll just add here is accept. Also we need okay, so now we were done, so I'll close this. Then I'll come here on a bind view holder. So it's where we want to set our set click listener here. So we'll just say a holder. A dialog so that the user will accept. So now let's create a dialog here. So as you see, we'll call the Firebase. Also, we'll add the current user ID inside. After successfully, then we close the progress dialog, and we also close the alert dialog. So now let's reject the user. So now we come at the bottom here, then we set a holder. Okay, so now inside here we want to query this data, then we delete it. So there are many ways to delete. So there are many options of deleting any data. So I'll simply delete this by calling a query. So okay, so now it's how we can remove we can reject the user. So as I told you that when we reject, we want to delete this user. So if you want to send an information back to the user, if you implemented something so that if this user rejects here, then you'll send back the information, so you can implement after successfully removed. So now let me check this reference if it's okay. So I'll come to even to user adapter, then I want to look for to send a friend request. So I need this reference. Okay, so now I think it's okay. So now let me run the project and see if I'm getting any error. I will show you, then we fix this problem. So it's working. I am accepting the friend request and it's worked. Also I rejected the user, also it's successfully removed. So what we need to do, you need to copy the code for rejecting, then we paste it to accept, so that after accepting we delete that user from our request. So now what I will do here, I'll copy this part. So after successfully accepted, then we need to delete this user. So I'll paste this here. Okay, so that's it. Once we're done, we need to remove this part. And we say accepted. So now we were done. So it's how we can handle this friend request. So in the next video we will be putting up some functions. Also we'll be editing our designs. So also we need to add time, so that when the user send a friend request, we also get the time. Also then we retrieve the same time, then we replace a timer go, so that if the user has sent the friend request yesterday, so we need to calculate the time, the current time and the previous time, then we get the minutes ago or hours ago or day or a year ago. So it's how we will handle this. So please, if you are new to this, please subscribe to my channel, also share my videos, so that I will continue creating more tutorials, more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Also, if you are new, you can download my application is called the DevSelfTech. So it's where I post all these source codes. You can download from there for free without paying anything. Goodbye. See you in episode 7.